Hello, Digital Monkey School students. Today we're going to learn how to build a heart shape. We'll need this for a later tutorial where I show you how to create Valentine themed ornament with hearts aligned along the surface of the ornament. To get started, you will need a reference image. I found this black and white reference image on Google. Grab an image that you like, download it, and let's get started. First, I will show you the add-ons that I will be using. Go to Preferences, Add-ons, in search box, type in Loop. Make sure your loop tools are turned on. Also type in Extra, turn on Add Extra Curves and Add Meshes. Also type in Modifiers and turn on Modifier tools. Those three plugins we'll be using during the modeling process. Press 1 to go to the front view, get rid of the box. I'm going to take my heart from the browser window at the bottom, drag it anywhere on the screen, press Option G on the Mac. PC users can press Alt G. It centers my reference image. I will adjust the opacity of the image by going to Object Data Properties, under Empty Opacity, check that on, reduce the opacity to something like 2.2. That will help me to see my geometry during modeling a little bit better. Press Shift-A, go to Mesh, choose Single Vertex, Origin and Vertex Mirrored. Make sure that in your edit mode you switch to Vertices. Press A to select that vertex, move it from the center, press G, and place it somewhere around here. Let's go to our modifiers and turn on clipping in a mirror modifier that's been created for us. And now press E to extrude, place one vertex right there, E to extrude, place one vertex right there. Now select everything with A, right click, subdivide. I'm going to switch from tweak to select box, G, this vertex go here, this goes here, right click, subdivide one more time, adjust this real quick, press N, find our loop tools, under edit, loop tools, select all of our vertices, and then press space, and that will space them out a little bit more evenly. Let's add a subdivision surface modifier, put it before our mirror modifier, crank it up to 2 in level viewport. Now let's take those 4 vertices, press Option S, and adjust them just a little bit so they conform to the silhouette of the heart a little better. Lastly, we're going to press Apply All. We'll have to do it in the object mode. Apply All. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. We are Digital Monkey School. I hope you learned something new today, and I will see you in my next tutorial.